In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Salesforce licenses. Whether you're a Salesforce administrator or just trying to understand your organization's current licensing situation, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. So, let's dive right in and make this as straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll need to get started by accessing the Salesforce setup area, which is essentially the control center for all of your Salesforce configurations and customizations. To begin, navigate to the top right corner of your Salesforce interface where you'll spot the gear icon. This icon is a crucial visual cue in Salesforce, as it leads you into all things setup related. Give that gear icon a click. Once you've done that, you'll notice a drop-down menu appears. From this menu, look for the option labeled Setup and select it. This will take you into the setup area, where all the magic really starts to happen. Now that you're in the setup area, you might feel overwhelmed by the myriad of options and menus available. Fear not, because Salesforce has a very handy feature called the Quick Find box. This is essentially a search bar situated on the left side of your screen, and it's designed to make finding specific settings a breeze. In this Quick Find box, you'll want to type Company Information. As you type, you'll likely see the option appear almost immediately, which is quite convenient. Go ahead and select it once it appears. Once you've entered the company information section, you might notice a lot of details about your Salesforce account, including your organization's name, edition type, and more. But for our purposes today, we want to focus on scrolling down. As you scroll, keep an eye out for the section titled User Licenses. This is where all the licensing information is contained. This section provides a comprehensive view of all the user licenses your organization currently has, including the number of licenses purchased, how many are in use, and the type of licenses available. Understanding this information is vital for managing your organization's Salesforce users effectively. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated through to find your Salesforce licensing information. This simple but essential process is key to staying on top of your Salesforce administration tasks, ensuring that your users have the appropriate access and that your organization stays compliant with its licensing agreements. Remember, exploring Salesforce's setup options can lead to more discoveries about how to optimize your organization's use of this powerful platform. So don't be afraid to delve deeper and learn more. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching and happy exploring.